Hi guys, so today we're doing some of my favorite hair care products. Now this doesn't include shampoos and conditioners, but it includes everything else. Let me know in the comments if you guys want me to do like my favorite shampoos. I can even do like a separate video with just that. This is basically like, serums, oils, masks, hairsprays, like basically styling and hair care products together. Okay, so I've got a whole bunch of products here. Now, I don't use all these every week. I use them as per my needs and how my hair is feeling. But these are some of my favorite products that I've been using over the last year or the last few months for sure. And I try to keep maybe one or two in each category for like budget wise and just otherwise why I use two of them. Okay, let's go. First up, starting with this guy. Now this is the Aveda Botanical Repair Mask. Now this is the mask that I've been using for the last few months and I really like this. So I use this maybe once a week after I wash my hair. Just put on a nice thick coat, leave it in for like a good 5-10 minutes and then rinse it off. And you can also use it as conditioner. So when my hair is really dry and like even right now, if you can see the ends are really dry because I've been traveling for a while, then I just like to use it as conditioner for a few days and like get that shine back, get the softness back, and then go back to using it as a weekly mask. But as a mask, it is amazing. It's pricey, but it's worth it. Then we have one of my staples. This is the L'Oreal Magic Retouch Spray. Now this is perfect for your roots. As you guys know, I'm quite grey. Like my center parting is very grey and I have a big grey patch here as well. I do usually color my hair or do a root touch up every like 5 to 6 weeks, but sometimes I don't and I have like a lot of that, and then suddenly I just want to do like one shoot or one thing and I'm not loving the grays and I want to touch them up. This is something I always have on my dressing table because it's a nice quick fix. Of course, it's not something I would use often because it's really annoying to spray and then wash off and then like because I'm someone that likes to sleep with clean hair. I can't sleep with any product in my hair. So I usually, like if it's styling products, I have to wash it off. Like I won't sleep with it. So I just use this for shoots or on a need base kind of situation. Otherwise I do like touch up my roots properly with like proper hair color. Then we have this guy. Now this one is the Sasti Behan, or I don't remember which one, but this is the wax stick. I have found myself using this quite a bit. It's just really easy and convenient to use, and I bought this off Amazon. It was really cheap. Now I feel like for someone that has a lot of frizz or like when I want my hair to be like slick back, like like fully very sleek and like tight, it doesn't work unless I have like use a gel or I use something. And I've been using this. This is kind of like a wax-like consistency, and it's pretty, like when you put it on, it has good hold if you want that kind of a look, and at the same time it doesn't feel like your hair doesn't feel hard and kadak, you know what I mean? Like it has hold, it looks good, and it's affordable, which is why I have this as part of like my hair care products. Now serum wise, this guy has been my staple for a really long time. This is the Aveda Nutriplenish serum. I really love this. This is what I usually use after a bath. I don't condition my hair often. Sometimes I just shampoo really quickly and then use this. So I do use a generous portion of this quite a bit after I shower, and it works for me. I do like to mix this with something else. Let me show you. So usually I use this, you've seen me use these two together in a lot of my videos. This is the Mythic oil from L'Oreal. I just feel like it gives it that slight sheen, that slight hydration, and it works really well. So I use a pump or two of this and then a pump or two of that, mix them both together and then just put them all over, and it works really well. And yeah, that's it. Like either then I dry my hair if I'm Dysoning it, or I just leave it to air dry. And it just works well for me. The other alternate serum I use quite a bit is this one. This is the L'Oreal Extraordinary Oil. I've just gotten a new bottle. This is definitely more affordable than the Aveda one, and it also works really well. Like I love that this has like multiple uses. You can leave it on overnight as like a oil if you want, like a more of a hydration effect. You can just put a pump or two after styling your hair. You can put it on wet hair after shampooing. I really like hair serums. I feel like I use a lot of hair serum, which is why I have both these. I also feel like you shouldn't just use one thing on your hair, because for me, my hair gets used to a product and then I don't know whether it's in my head, but I just feel like after a point, things stop working on my hair, which is why I even keep changing my shampoos. Like I use different shampoos on rotation. I don't really stick to like one holy grail thing and use it the whole year and stuff like that. So even with my serums, I like to have 2 around so that I can, just switch between them. Then we have this guy. Now this is a surprising new entry even for me, because I'm someone that has always hated hair oil. Like the whole process of oiling your hair is just something that has never worked for me. Even as a kid, I used to hate it. I would run away and be like, I don't want to oil my hair. But now I've kind of changed that thanks to this. So this is Indulekha's Svetakutaja oil. This is great for flaky scalp, for dandruff, which is what I always have. But the key is being consistent. If you're not consistent with this, you won't see like instant results. You have to use it for like 2-3 weeks and like maybe twice a week, thrice a week to kind of get results. And the actual packaging of this product really makes it possible. So I love that it has these prongs, like this comb applicator, which you just like slide through your hair really quickly and then you can wash it. So I do this very often now. Actually, I try to do it once a week. I do slack off sometimes, but I try my best to do it where I know I'm going in for a shower quickly. I just comb it through my hair before I'm going for a shower and then kind of wait for 5 or 10 minutes, watch something, or go into real verse and just like drown myself for like 10-15 minutes, which ends up being 30 minutes. And I'm like, oh, okay, at least my hair is getting oil, and then quickly go and wash it. So yeah, I'm not someone that sits with oil the whole day in my hair. I don't like the chip feeling, all of that. So this works really well for me. And I've even ordered the other one, the other variant of this, to try that and see how it works, because I'm almost out of this. So yeah, this has been really, really good. Then we have this guy. Now this is something I've been using for quite a while. This is the Hyaluron Moisture night cream from L'Oreal. Now this is quite affordable and it's really nice if you're looking for like extra hydration in a leave-in format. I very often even just use a little of this cream after styling my hair. Like if I do it overnight, I put like the full-on cream all over, and just sleep with it and then wash my hair the next morning, and it just makes your hair really nice and soft. Or I just like to do like a little dollop after styling my hair just to get like a little extra hydration and shine along with my serum and oil. This is definitely affordable and it works really well. Then we have this guy, which I have to be very careful with because I've broken the lid of it. This is the Aveda Scalp Solutions. Now this is one of my favorite scalp care kind of situations. For someone that has a flaky scalp, I'm always looking for a quick fix to kind of just, exfoliate, and it works so well for exfoliation. So you just apply it all over your scalp basically, like it's just very easy to do with the tube, and leave it on for 5-10 minutes and then wash it. It gives you like a really nice tingly, mentholy feeling after using it and washing your hair, and it works really well to get rid of flakes as well. So if you use it like 2 washes in a row, completely gone. Now this one is the Wella Elements leave-in spray. Now this is actually really nice as a leave-in conditioner or for some extra hydration. I like the spray format because it gives you little product, like you're not putting in a lot. Like with creams and often with the creamy serums, we end up putting quite a bit into our hair and then you have a lot of product. This is if you want that light, quick spray and you're done, kind of quick fix. This works really well for that. I haven't been using this a lot lately because I've been busy with other stuff, but it's a product that I've used quite a bit and I quite like it. Now when it comes to styling for curls, this is a product that I really like. This is the Aveda Styling Treatment Foam. Works really well. Actually, you can even blow dry your hair with it and stuff like that. I actually just use it for, when I want to scrunch my hair. When it's wet, I just spray it with water and then with this and leave that. With this, a little goes a long way. You don't need a lot of product, but it works really well. And if you're looking for like styling products that's not going to damage your hair and leave it like heavy and stuff, this works really well. And last but not the least, we have my current hairspray. Okay, so this is from Milkshake. This is the strong hairspray. Now, I basically use this only when I really need hairspray. I'm not a fan of hairspray. I don't keep spraying a lot of hairspray. It's only if I'm going to an event or I've done my hair and I really need like hold, or I just need hairspray, then I'll use it, which is why I invested in this. It's expensive, but it gets the job done, and it's not very harsh on the hair. I feel like I've used a lot of hairsprays in the past that leave my hair very dry and then like the next day after washing it, and this doesn't really do that. So yeah, whenever I use hairspray, this is the one I use. So guys, these are some of the products that I've been using and loving over the last few months. As I said, I don't use all of them together, and I, pick and choose depending on how my hair is feeling. I do tend to like my hair in its natural form like this. I don't often style my hair quite a bit. Like, this is just wash and serum, that's it. Like, there's nothing else in my hair. And I do tend to like my hair like that, where I can feel my hair and it's not chip and there's no it's my actual hair texture and things like that. So for me, less is always more when it comes to hair care. I use what I need to use, like the bare minimum, and then I stop. I just want to share with you guys options in terms of styling, root touch-ups or a mask, serums, all of that, because I feel like I may not use it every day, but I do end up using it over a period of time. And so these are some of the products that have really kind of been great for me over the last few months. I've used them quite a bit, some for a few years, some for a few months, but yeah, tried and tested, and they all worked really well for me. So guys, if you liked the video or found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and comment below with your current favorite hair care products in the comments. Maybe I can replace some of mine. I don't think I need any more, but I can replace some for sure. Let me know. See you guys. Bye.